We have overlooked opportunities of change. So the moment we get those times, we need to be ready for it. If a person doesn't prepare himself, he doesn't train himself psychologically, spiritually, you're not trained to make those decisions when the time comes, then you'll never be able to do them. You'll never be able to do them. We can think to ourselves that, oh, I would do this, I want to do this, but all the thoughts will always remain thoughts as long as we don't put them into practice. As long as we don't prepare for them. We don't prepare for them. So for us to be able to make huge changes or to capitalize on moments when they're needy, we need to have prepared ourselves for it. Like a person who can do a somersault or he can do a backflip, right? He can do a backflip because he's been preparing for that. He's always been training for it. So his body is ready to be able to do a backflip. A person who doesn't do a backflip, you tell him to do a backflip, he'll probably crash on his face. He'll probably crack his neck. He's not used to it.
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.